Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're into e-commerce or looking to understand different types of clients, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Now let's dive into the world of e-commerce clients. When it comes to e-commerce, clients can be categorized into various types based on their behavior, preferences, and needs. Knowing these types can help businesses tailor their strategies, messaging, and offerings to better meet the diverse needs
and preferences
of their target audience. First up, we have the browsers. These are users who visit e-commerce websites or apps to explore products or services without necessarily making a purchase. They may be researching, comparing prices, or simply browsing
for inspiration.
Then there are the one-time customers. These individuals make a single purchase from an e-commerce platform,
but they don't return
for repeat purchases. On the flip side, repeat customers are loyal clients
who make multiple purchases
from the same
e-commerce platform over time.
They choose to return for more because they are satisfied with the products, services, or overall experience. Next, we have the deal seekers. They are always on the lookout for discounts, promotions, or special offers. They tend to purchase when they perceive they're getting a good deal. Impulse buyers make purchases on a whim, often driven by emotions or spontaneous decisions. They may be influenced by factors like product presentation, persuasive marketing, or limited time offers. Brand loyalists are fiercely loyal to specific brands or retailers. They trust the brand's reputation, values, or product quality, and prefer to purchase from them consistently. With the rise of mobile devices, mobile shoppers primarily use smartphones or tablets to browse and make purchases on e-commerce platforms. They value convenience, speed, and seamless mobile experiences. Social shoppers are heavily influenced by social media platforms. They discover products through social channels, rely on peer recommendations, and may even make purchases directly within social media apps. Experiential shoppers value the overall shopping experience, including personalized recommendations, interactive features, and engaging content. They seek immersive, enjoyable shopping experiences that go beyond just buying products. Lastly, we have the skeptics. They may be hesitant to shop online due to concerns about security, privacy, or trustworthiness, but with reassurance, transparent policies, and positive experiences can be converted into regular e-commerce customers. Understanding these various types of e-commerce clients is crucial for businesses to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of their target audience. So if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.